Synagogue, it's the branch of Krakow Museum, and on Mondays, every Monday, it's free entrance. So you just can come inside and even don't ask and a lady at the entrance to print out some tickets. Just go in. So if you see, this is a very old building, the oldest building from all over synagogues in Poland, and it's located in the area under the name Kazimierz. Yeah. And at the entrance there are a lot of photos of old of these synagogues, of all the photos which were made in end of 19th, beginning of 20th century. Here are the photos, and further you will see one photo of Jewish family. Usually they had very big families. Just a moment, use now. In the center of the photo there is an old man. Yes, he's a grandfather, and he had 5 sons. Yeah, and a lot of other children. Yes, it means on this photo there were only sons. If they could gather daughters, I think they had daughters, so the family was maybe around, I don't know, 50 persons. It's only one family. So some short information about the synagogue. It was originally built in the 15th century and rebuilt several times. Initially it was intended only for men's prayers, and a little bit later prayers rooms for women were added, were built. To regret, the synagogue functioned up to Second World War, and during this bad page in the history of Krakow, during the German occupation, German occupation authorities plundered the synagogue and took all the valuables to Germany. So all the things, I think there are all replicas or just were gathered here lately. After the war, the synagogue was reconstructed in the 1950s, and since time it's functioned as the museum. There are a lot of information, also in English, and a lot of black and white photos, so you can evaluate about the life of Jewish at the period before the Second World War. So welcome to this museum, and on Mondays the entrance is free.